Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on your iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is go into settings, and let's say for example I click on iCloud right there, and then I'm trying to sign out. Down by the bottom where you see my sign out is in bright red right here. Yours probably is grayed out. I will show you how to fix that. First, once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you want to select screen time. As it is because your screen time is on, that's what's blocking you from signing out. So you'll simply scroll down, and right where you see turn off screen time, you're going to tap on that. Then you'll tap on turn off screen time. And that's it. Once you have turned off screen time, you will now be able to sign out. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix cannot sign out of iCloud on your iPhone.